All right, everyone, this is the instructions for taking pictures for the About Me collage. This is where we're heading. You're going to take pictures of people, places, and things that represent you as a person. So I include kind of my final so you can see where you're going to end. In this folder, I have pictures of things that I took. You're asked to take about 30 to 40 pictures, I would say, of people, of places, of things that represent you as a person. Again, try to pay attention to the background. Like this is a really bad background. Think of that attribute of clear subject. I have some pictures. Here we go. This is much better of Eli. There's just less distractions. However, look at that. He's got a merger coming out of his head right there. So I needed to step one way or the other to get that to move. Even the teacher messes up. Think about light and how light interacts with your subjects. Try different camera angles. Put something in the foreground. Try to lead viewer's eye around your composition. Think about timing, light, timing, composition, and clear subject. So keep those attributes in mind. Take a lot of pictures so you have a lot to choose from. We'll put our pictures in our final folder. So these are kind of my top choices for what I want to edit for my collage. So I just move those into a final folder, and then I will download the final folder and then I'll edit it in Photoshop. So this is what you're asked to do this week, is to take a variety of pictures. Take a lot, upload them to your Google Drive folder. If you need to make a About Me or My World folder, go ahead and do that. And come into class ready to download and edit your pictures. Have fun.